Hello, I'm Philipp Hartenfiller, product lead at United Codes, and I'm going to show you the Gantt chart today from Andre. And first off, what is a Gantt chart? So Gantt chart is basically a time view, so a timeline, you could say. So if you have a query and have like some events like your calendar and you want to display in a nice fashion, Gantt chart is a nice opportunity to use that. And note that Apex has a Gantt chart, but this is an advanced one where you can use so much more features in a native fashion. This is just a basic example. So here we query a few events, and you can see like if they're parallel one, you can display down to each other. They're grouped, like these all are related to a bug tracker project or the convert Excel spreadsheet project, and you have like a start end date, and you can like resize it that way to take a better look, and you can even zoom. Also, what's nice is this hierarchical view. So here you can like collapse and expand like child relations to drill down through your events. Dependencies is a nice feature. So if you have like a follow-up to an event, you can just add an arrow to the next event here, and you can just easily assign that in the page designer if you reference just another event ID. Of course, you can add like click listeners. So if I click on identify owners, I get a pop-up in this case, and I can just edit it. And of course, like you could add a normal button to create a new event, and if I would fill this out, you would refresh the region, and then of course the new event would be displayed like any other integrated chart. Super nice is also let drag and drop, so you can like move stuff around. You can even get like a small preview, so I can like rearrange that, and I can also like make it larger or smaller. In the background, you need to set an update statement to know, basically, to let the chart know which statement to run to write these changes. Then we have like more advanced options. You can like customize colors. You can customize almost anything, like templates. Like here you can customize how the task actually looks. And you can add nice tooltips. So here's this radial chart with the percentage. And we have even more advanced examples. So yeah, this chart offers a wide variety of features. And make sure you can actually download, this is a sample app, the official one. You can just go to pluginspro.com, sign up for a free trial of this Gantt chart, and in that download, you will get the sample app where you can just take a closer look at all these examples and see how they're set up in the page designer. Speaking of page designer, so let's actually quickly create a Gantt chart so you can get a glance of how to use this. So I have prepared this empty page, mostly empty. I already added this start end date fields. So now we can create a region, name that Gantt, and of type United Codes Gantt Chart Pro. So in here we of course need to add a source. So I've prepared this task table, and make sure to also add start and end date to the page items to submit. Speaking of these items, you need to add a dynamic action to both of these, and on the true we can just run a refresh of the region of the Gantt chart. In the attributes, we can now assign basically the columns. It automatically picked up with few things. So for example, task ID is ID, task name, etc., end date, start date. And here's a lot of more. I'm not going through everything of these. Take a look at the examples in sample applications if you're interested in them. So what we have to do is the start and end date. So the user can define like the range he wants to view. And if we've just done that, we can already see that the chart gets rendered, and we can of course like expand the time frame. Another small thing I want to show you is here, like parent task ID. If I use the parent task column, that's just a name for a group or the parent task, then you can see automatically that we have support for this hierarchical view. And yeah, that's already it. I hope you're interested, or if you have feedback about this, let us know in the comments, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.